How to fix can't install WhatsApp Messenger on the App Store. Let's get started. So, this usually happens because of the internet connection issues, App Store glitches, Apple ID or payment problem, or store or reason mismatches. So for that, first of all, simply open up Safari and then load any website. If the page does not load, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn on your airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it off. After that, you can simply open the App Store and then try installing it again. Now restart your iPhone. A simple restart clears App Store bugs issue, so restart your iPhone and then try to reinstall. Now after that, simply open up your settings. Inside your scroll below, tap on Screen Time. Scroll below again, tap on Content and Privacy Restriction and make sure this button is turned on. After that, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases and make sure installing apps is set to allow. Now, you need to go and simply head back to settings, tap on your Apple ID, scroll below, then tap on sign out. After that, restart your iPhone and then sign back in again. Now, open the App Store and then install again. Now check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, as a last resort, open up your settings, scroll below, then simply tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is up to date. If not, simply tap on Install Now and install and download any updates available. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.